The time of inheritance has come.
Is that royal memory?
Hear us. I'll be right back, little one.
Just a little peek. No one will know. Almost. I can see it. Wait!
Joy, sorrow, love, war.
Please stop! I'm scared!
Oh no, my baby! Hold on, I'm coming!
It's all right, you're safe now. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to.
Easy now. Return to your places.
It can never be whole again.
The most precious memory is you. Let's create something new. Come to me, memories.
This shard carries something else.
Who has broken the cycle? You shattered the vessel. Why?
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to hurt anyone.
If blame must be given, then give it to me.
Love is a stronger vessel than crystal.
I grant you a new legacy, one that grows with your hearts.
A queen must always be flawless, darling. Mommy, can I try some too?
Not yet, darling. You're still too young.
Oh.
Later, sweetheart. Be good, darling. Mummy will be back soon.
I can be like Mommy. I know I can. Almost like Mommy. One day, I'll walk beside Mommy. Please start. Pretty please. Come on, stay straight. Please stay straight. That's a kitten. There's a kitten driving. Mommy, you're right there. I'm coming. Mommy, wait for me. I'm coming now. Really coming. Whose car is that? It's moving strangely.
Wait, there's a kitten in that car. A baby drove here.
How is that even possible?
Mommy, I'm coming to you. She's adorable and brave. Mommy, please be inside.
Is that a kid? Where did she come from?
Mommy, are you here?
Someone find her mother, quickly.
She doesn't walk the runway, she owns it.
This is the moment. Keep shooting.
Baby?
to be like you. You already are my little queen. Walk with me, my little star. Just like Mommy.
This is history. Keep shooting. This moment will never happen again.
My brave girl. You went through so much just to find me. I just wanted Mommy. This one is yours, sweetheart. You don't have to borrow mine anymore. Mommy, it's so beautiful. Mommy! The sky is sparkling for us. Yes, my little star.
Tonight must be perfect. The kingdom deserves nothing less.
Wow! What is that shiny smell?
Only a few drops of our family treasure remain.
Just one little sniff. It won't hurt, right? It's so shiny. Just a little closer. Almost there. I can do this. I'm so close. Uh-oh. Mom. No. Kitten? What's happening? No! I didn't mean to. What have I done? Our family treasure. Gone. Are you hurt? Let me see your paws.
I didn't get hurt. I'm sorry, Mommy.
Oh, sweetheart, you're safe. That's what matters. Shh. It's all right, my love. I'm not angry. I'm so sorry. I didn't want to break it. Sweetheart, maybe we can bring the scent back. Really? We can? If we try together? Yes. I believe we can. Mommy, it's like a dream.
This is the Royal Scent Laboratory. Our ancestors created masterpieces.
Mommy, is this one the right oil?
Yes, darling. Bring it slowly. Very slowly.
That's definitely not it. It smells like boiled onions? Try again.
Not this one. Definitely wrong.
Almost, but not quite. We can do it, Mommy. I won't give up.
That's my brave little one.
Oops.
It's the same scent. No, it's even more beautiful. We did it? Yes, my love. We truly did.
We did it! Together! I helped. I really helped. Mommy, you smell like magic.
It's our magic, darling. What is that heavenly scent?
It's like starlight, but softer. They like it.
Tonight, I present a new scent, born from love, resilience, and a little accident. This perfume...
We made something priceless, didn't we, Mommy?
The true treasure is us.
Forever, Mommy.
Today's tea party must be perfect.
I'm a real princess now. Mommy will be so proud.
Make sure the lavender tea is perfect.
Mommy, is this the tea party room?
Yes, my little emerald star.
Mommy, can I come to the tea party too? I have my princess dress and shoes.
Oh, sweetheart, you're still little, my love. I promise, one day you'll host your own tea party.
All right. I just wanted to be with Mommy.
Oh my, your emerald gown is stunning. Welcome, ladies. Please enjoy our little tea gathering.
Everything looks perfect.
They're already eating cake. Oh, it looks so good. If I'm really quiet, maybe they won't mind. From down here, it's like a secret world. I can almost see the cake. Did anyone else feel that? Was that the table? It felt like a tiny shake, barely there. Maybe just the floor settling? I didn't mean to. Stop! Please stop!
She's pulling the whole table.
Grab the cloth. My sleeves. They're soaked!
The desserts are everywhere.
Someone stop the table, please. I didn't want to ruin everything. I'm sorry. Oh,
All eyes are on her.
Is she going to punish the kitten?
I've never seen her this quiet.
My little one! My little one! Mommy! I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. You were frightened. You made a mistake. Mommy, I'm so sorry. I didn't want to ruin anything. Hush. It's all right, my little princess. You're... Just look at us. What a sight! A royal tea party turned into... There we go. Let's make it beautiful again. I can help too. I promise I'll be careful. You're doing wonderfully, sweetheart. This feels much nicer than before. Yes, simple but perfect. No royal Here you go, my little princess, your very own milk tea. For me? Really? She looks so happy. No matter what happens, you'll always belong by my side. Mommy,